Hey everyone, it's Georgia with Mobile Homes by Georgia, and today I'm giving you a tour of the Camino PH. Now, this is a newer house for us, and it's going to be 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus a den, and it's a 28 by 72. Now, this house is a little bit unique because really how you see it is how it comes, with the exception of a few items that we will take a look at on the inside. But as far as like your colors and any other kind of special customizations that we can typically do on our homes, that is not available on this house. So here we're just taking a look at the exterior. You've got that vinyl exterior with the white, and that's really the only color it's coming in. I believe they just released gray stone, so you may now have 2 options on it, but you do get the cedar shutters and the cedar crow's foot, so that does really make this house pop. And then we paired it with one of our gray premium plus vinyl skirting. But let's head on in. Okay, coming on in, you've got this really open floor plan from the kitchen to your living room. Now, some fun things in here is this new color for us called peppercorn. So you're going to see a few of these accent walls and some more of that shiplap in the peppercorn color on your kitchen island. So here's just kind of an overview look of the living room and where I came in. Okay, we are going to start in your master bedroom. Now, one big plus with this house is you do get your floated sheetrock walls nearly everywhere. There are going to be a few spots that still have your wall panels, but again, they're in the areas that you may not care about as much. But really great, spacious master bedroom. And here we've got your master bathroom. Now, we just started offering these lit vanity mirrors, and I think that is such a luxury. You don't really see that in mobile homes, at least the ones that I sell. That has not been an option for us until now. Now, here we've got, again, you've got the 2 mirrors above the 2 sinks. There's me saying hi, showing my face here. And then you've got lots of storage down below. Now, I do love this kind of cabinet stack that you get to the right as well, but here I'm just kind of showing you what's underneath your vanity. Okay, some really nice deep storage in there with that mid shelf that really maximizes that tall space. You've got this frosted glass window, which is always my personal favorite for privacy, with that standalone tub. Now, they are not offering a deck tub option in here. Then you've got the toilet to the right. Now here we're going to have your master closet, and we are only doing wooden shelves in all of our homes, guys. Now that is a big upgrade for us. So here we've got that little transom window. I love that. Anywhere that you can add that and just get some more natural light in always gets a thumbs up from me. But again, here is a space that still does have the wall panel. It's in this summer white color, and a lot of people don't even know that it's wall paneling when they see it because it just looks like any other paint. Okay, we're going to head out and take a look at this gorgeous dining room and kitchen. So here we do have another one of those peppercorn accent walls in your dining room, and we did have this sliding glass door put in, which is great if you plan on building a porch or a deck out there. But here is an overview of your kitchen. I love this built-in microwave, and again, that's another one of those luxuries that you may not expect from a mobile home or manufactured home. Okay, now I am going to show you this gray subway tile backsplash. That did not come from the manufacturer. That is not an option from them. That was something that we installed, or one of our contractors did, once we received the home. So along with backsplash, you are also going to see an electric fireplace in the den. Both of those items did not come from the manufacturer. Here we've got these gorgeous stainless steel appliances with that 60-40 split sink. And I wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit closer at these windows. You've got the blinds on them, and I love that they open so you can be cooking, letting in that natural light and that fresh air. You've got this really nice smooth top range. And there is a closer look at those awesome windows. Now, again, guys, if you are interested in this house or any of the other ones that I post, my name is Georgia. I work at Regional Homes in Bossier City, 3500 East Texas Street, Bossier City, Louisiana. I typically only go up to like a max of 175 miles. So if you want some more info, definitely check out the bio. I've got all my contact info listed there. Now here we've got that pantry again. I love the transom window. I love the wooden shelves. You do still have the wall paneling in there, but it's not a big deal. Now then you've got your furnace behind that door, and here is your laundry room. So you've got the floated sheetrock walls in here, some nice hanging space right there above your washer and dryer. You've got a back entrance, so we really have two back entrances on this house, one here in your laundry room and then one in your dining room with that sliding glass door. Here is your electrical box and panel. I love that they started doing this kind of covered panel. It looks really, really seamless and nice. And there I'm just showing you the outlet where you would have room for a deep freezer or a refrigerator. Okay, here is the den. Oh, right before the den, I just wanted to show off this newer ecobee thermostat that is going in all of our homes. A really nice kind of touch there. But here is your den. And again, this space can be turned into a fifth bedroom. I know I mentioned that there's not too many customizations with this home, but you can turn this into a fifth bedroom if that fits your lifestyle a little bit better. But here we've got your electric fireplace. Like I said, this was put in by one of our contractors, which was just an additional cost. Okay, now to the left, we're going to have your guest bedrooms and your guest bathroom. I love that the bathroom is really put in between the two bedrooms next to the den. This way, if you've got guests or kids, they kind of feel like they've almost got their own half of the house. So you can have them down here, and then the parents can still have their main living room next to that front door at the beginning of the video. So here we've got, again, the guest bathroom with this one-piece fiberglass inset for your shower with some nice storage there. There, I'm just kind of showing you what it would really look like in your house with that shower curtain. But again, both of these guest bedrooms should be very similar in size. And here I do show you the closet space. And one thing you may not know about the houses that I sell is they all come with metal roofs. Now, there may be an exception for a few of them, but I can probably get them with a metal roof anyway. The metal roofs, they just hold up so much longer. They're very durable. You may even get a lower insurance premium just because you've got the metal roof. When you've got storms that come through, they're going to be so much more durable. I could go on and on about the benefits of going with a metal roof on your mobile home. That's why I really believe in the product that I sell. But here you've got this really large kitchen island. I love that space. You can host a lot of people here with all of the seating. But again, guys, thank you so much for taking a look at the Camino PH with me. Definitely let me know what you think about this floor plan in the comments down below. I'm really excited for this one. Have a great day, everyone.